Welcome to the introductory video of SysInfo VMDK recovery software. Sometimes VMware fails to perform due to several reasons like corrupt VMDK files, descriptor files missing, power failure, accidental deletion of the virtual machine. To make your VMware machine feasible, we bring you the SysInfoTools VMDK recovery software. Let's see how it works. Select the VMDK disk type, fixed or dynamic, on which you are working on. Here I am selecting dynamic disk type. Now select the VMDK file from your system. And click on Next button. On the next window you will get the scanning mode option that will fully scanning your files. And check if your partition type is GPT. Press Next button to start the scanning process. It will take few of your minutes to scan the files. Select the listed volume, or you can also add another volume to the list. You can see the custom volume setting option, on which you can change the start and end sectors and the file system. Click on Next button. Now select any of the recovery modes to recover your corrupt VMDK file. The recovery process will take some time to recover your data and gather them together. Click OK and move forward to save your recovered files. Select any of the folder or files from the list directories and click on Save button to save the files. Saving process complete. Close the application. Hope you liked the video was helpful for you. For any query, leave a comment in comment box below. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. For more updates, do subscribe our channel.